Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you about LastPass Password Manager app. You can find it in your Google Play Store and Apple App Store. And this app is one of the must-have Android apps, and it's a password manager that lets you save your login credentials in a safe and secure way. And on top of that, it can help generate nearly impossible passwords for you to use on your accounts, which could be very helpful. And it is all controlled with a one master password. So it has this cross-platform support that so you can use it on computers, mobile devices, tablets, or whatever you want. And there are others, but LastPass always feels like it's one step ahead. Additionally, the premium version is very cheap. So you can also grab LastPass Authenticator, which is another app, and you can go along with it for added security. And however, we like LastPass a little more friendly than other apps and secure usually, and especially with its extra authenticator app. So let's get to the app and how we're gonna use it. I have already created my account, and if you haven't, you're gonna create from here. You're gonna click here. You're going to, let me show you. You're gonna put your email address, and then it's gonna ask you for a master password, which you're gonna put in, and you can put a keyword to remember what was it. So since I have it, I'm just gonna click sign in instead, and we'll put my password. And let's log in. And as you can see, we have a plus icon right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click here, and we have a lot of options that we can put. We can put a password, secure note, address, or payment card informations, bank account, driver's license, passport, social security number, and actually anything you can think of, even a software license, as you can see right here. So today I'm actually going to add my password, which could be useful in such cases that you might think that you forgot it, but you need the informations like that. Of course, I'm not gonna put my real information in there, but I will just do it to show you guys. So we're gonna tap on that, and we're gonna name it. I will name it as here passport, and you can choose a folder, which you can also create a folder from here. For now, let's put it on secure notes, and let's go. We're gonna put our name, your country, your passport number here, your sex, which is female, your nationality. I'm not gonna put my number right here, but you will if you need it. Your nationality, which authority is issued by, your date of birth, issued date, your expiration date, and you're gonna click. You can put some notes, such as maybe you also want to put your mother's password that you're gonna be traveling together or something like that, right? Let's put these things here. I'm just gonna put a number of, just putting some numbers. Let's say Turkey. Let's put a birth date, issue date. As you can see, I am just making it up, because imagine that I was born in 2020, but its issued date is 2018. It's impossible, right? So from here, let's assume it's a 3 years password, and from here we can add some notes. And also we have this option that we can actually add it to our favorite, which I will show you what it means from here. And right here we see attachments. When we click here, what we're gonna see is this. Sorry. You can also change your language. We can add an image, we can take a picture, or we can add a sound audio, but we're not gonna do that. And now what I'm gonna do is click save. As you can see, right now it doesn't look like it has done something, but let's refresh our page. go like all items. As you can see, here is my password, and since I added to my favorites, it's on top of the page and it's gonna stay on top of the page. The reason why it can help you, because as you can see, there's a lot of things, and imagine you're putting all of those things right here, and when you're gonna be looking for that, it might be a little bit hard. So you can even put insurance policy and everything. So also, when we click this hamburger menu right here, we have the page for our passwords, but we didn't add any, so it doesn't show here. You can add your secure notes right from here, as you can see. And secure note is like, you will just write it down. Maybe it's something like the date of your boyfriend's birthday, but you don't want him to know that you actually might not be able to remember it, something like that. So let's go to our all items page, and from here let me show you how can you actually edit this. So when we click on this one, when we click on here, we have this option to edit, right? So what can we do is, if we think we did something wrong with it, we can edit it. And from these 3 vertical dots, we can share this information or delete it. You may think like, why would I want to share my password? But it can be a password actually, and not a passport, that a Netflix password you might want to share with your friends, and you're changing it every time. That's what I'm doing. So, and every month they keep asking you, oh, what was the username, what was the password? So this share button, this is where it's useful. So, and from here, and if you have named it something else and you have a lot of information, let's assume that you had something like safe box here and you named your item as safe box, you can just write it here, write it in the search bar and search it, and so you don't have to go through all the page. And let's click this hamburger menu, and from here we actually have something called security. Let's click there, and here we have this. From here we can generate a password. As you can see, you can choose the password length, which is up to 128 characters or something like 12 characters. So you can use this password everywhere that you think that it's not good enough. And from emergency access, let's click. From here you can add your emergency access, such as people you trust or people who trust you. So something happens and that person has your phone, in case of something bad, you know what I mean. You can, from people who trust me, people who trust you will put your information here, your username, your email, and they're gonna be showing here. And people you trust, you will add them from here, put them their emergency contact email, and you can choose the wait time before this app is actually contacting them, and you're gonna click invite, but that's not what I'm gonna do now. And here we have this last option, such as security challenge. From here it is actually analyze the data you have stored in your LastPass wallet and tells you how secure you are, giving you a score from 0 to 100, tells you how you can increase your security, and compares your score against all other LastPass security challenge participants. And no, you might think like this app has your passwords, but no, the only password it has is your master password, which is you create to get in. But no, they don't have the access to your real let me show you from here, to the things that you have added here, because they are not allowed to. And one more thing I will show you, that you can, when you click settings, you have the options to autofill, search, browser, and actually you can you can do some things with your LastPass account, or change some security settings, and you can actually ask for help and support from here, or you can log out of your LastPass password manager account. So this is how it is. If you guys have any questions about this app or about this video, you can ask me on the comments so I can come up with more videos that will help you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that button too. So see you guys in my next video with more knowledge and way more apps that I'm going to be showing you and you will enjoy using. See you guys in my next videos.